Welcome to the fascinating world of cloud computing with Amazon Web Services. Today, we embark on a journey to explore the project titled Build an End-to-End AWS SageMaker Classification Model. Imagine a platform that not only simplifies your data science workflow, but also empowers you to deploy machine learning models in real time, without the need for extensive software engineering skills. That's where AWS SageMaker comes into play. In this project, we aim to predict the cause of death using a classification model built on AWS. With the power of services like SageMaker, Data Wrangler, and Lambda, we address the common challenge faced by data scientists, deploying models efficiently and effectively. So, why is this important? In a world increasingly driven by data, the ability to harness cloud computing for predictive analysis can transform industries and improve decision-making processes. Now, let's dive into the tools that make this possible. Our tech stack is robust, leveraging the versatility of Python alongside essential libraries such as PyTorch, Pandas, NumPy, and more. These tools facilitate data manipulation and model building. On the AWS front, we utilize SageMaker for model management, Data Wrangler for data pre-processing, and Lambda for serverless computing. This combination ensures a seamless workflow from data ingestion to model deployment. Equipped with these tools, we streamline the process of building and deploying machine learning models on the cloud, making it accessible to both beginners and seasoned professionals. So, how does it all come together? Picture a streamlined architecture where data flows effortlessly from AWS Redshift to an S3 bucket, ready for pre-processing in Data Wrangler. Once pre-processed, the data enters SageMaker, where we create an instance to build our base model. This model undergoes automatic hyperparameter tuning, enhancing its predictive accuracy. Finally, with a few clicks, the model is deployed using AWS Lambda, ready to provide real-time predictions. This architecture not only simplifies the deployment process, but also ensures scalability and efficiency, making it a game changer for data scientists. By engaging with this project, you'll gain valuable insights into the workings of AWS, including an introduction to Redshift, S3 buckets, and the powerful capabilities of SageMaker and Data Wrangler. You'll learn how to load and process data, create instances, and deploy models with ease. Additionally, you'll explore techniques for automatic hyperparameter tuning and data monitoring in AWS. So, what's next? We invite you to dive deeper into this project, apply what you've learned, and transform your understanding of cloud-based machine learning. Thank you for joining us on this journey.